Just insert the tissue to the front of your heels. Now your heels fit just right.
How you should not walk in high heels. In a lot of outfit checks here on TikTok, I always see this. Problem with this walking is that I can tell that either your heel is too high or you're not a regular heel walker. If you want to look effortless when you're walking in heels, try to walk in a line instead. Your feet don't have to cross. If they do cross, you will lose your balance because there is one point where you're diagonal and you're trying to get your foot over. But you want to keep your weight in the middle, which is why you try to walk straight. So I'm using the line of my floor here, and I'll walk the line. The first time, it's very difficult to walk the line, but you'll get the hang the more you practice it. And the walking the line doesn't have to be that perfect. When I don't focus, you will notice that not every step is perfect, but the heel walking still looks good. Sorry, I sound like Santa because these shoes have stones on it, so they move. Another thing not to do is to walk with your knees. I also see this very often where someone would walk in high heels and do this. Instead, because we want to keep the balance at the hip, we actually don't want to have any movement here, meaning we also don't want to bounce. So we want to keep always the same height. There is a curve to my knee, but it is not fully straight nor bend it. And the last step, almost the most important, is your shoulders. Having a good posture when you walk in high heels helps because of the balance in your body. Always try to place your shoulders in the back and then you start walking. Shoulders back and you walk in. And this is how you can practice the walking in your room. What do we do with our hands? Well, we're not on a catwalk, so we are not doing excessive hand movements. We're actually keeping the hands close to our body. They can move, but you keep them close to your body. This will also help with your balance. The next video will be how to find the perfect heel for you.